Welcome to the channel, you guys. I'm realystgeminitech, and today is the perfect day for a setup upgrade. As you guys can see, it is currently raining outside, so I figured there's no better time to finally swap out my old stack monitor mount, and honestly, it needs it. You probably can see what I mean. The stand right here leans forward, which makes my monitors feel unstable. It's like the top monitor is actually coming at me. And on top of that, the way it sits creates this huge gap in between that for the life of me, I just can't close it. And it just throws off the whole look of the setup. So let's go ahead and change it. Now, step one is to remove the old stand. So first we got to remove the monitors and then we're able to remove the stand. So let's get started.
That's a cool type mix. Oxycontin mixing with the loose. Used to let her feeling like a zoo type mix. Shot, stripping, taking shrooms. Eating all the perks on some food type shit. Shot to make it work, 9 to 5 type shit. Eating all the perks on some food type shit. Eating all the perks on some food type shit. All the homies crashing on some food type. Flooding up the bodies like a pool type, man. All the homies crashing on some food type shit. All the homies crashing on some food type. Eating all the perks on some food type shit. Kick slow flow, jitsu type shit. Real out of my dread like some on board type shit. Cook a nigga up like food type shit. Push up with my dogs, cook you down type shit. She gripping out of my balls, I got a moon type shit.
This is the new stack dual monitor mount I picked up, and honestly I can already feel that it's way sturdier than my old one. The base clamp is thicker, the arms are heavier, and it gives me way more confidence that this will actually hold my monitors without it leaning or coming forward. Now it's built for flexibility too. It supports monitors between 13 and 32 inches and about 22 pounds each, and it uses the standard VESA mounts, so it works with most brands like Asus, Samsung, Dell, Acer, things like that. The gas spring arms make adjustments smoother, so I can tilt, swivel, or even rotate the screens until they're exactly where I want them. It's even designed to handle two 27-inch monitors stacked, which is perfect for my setup. And the best part, by lifting both monitors off the desk, it clears up so much more space, and it has built-in cables management, which really helps clean the look of my setup. Assembly was simple. All the tools came in a box, and within a few minutes I had it put together and was ready to mount the monitors.
I want you to stay.
Change the weather, might not be forever, but if it's forever, it's even better. And I don't know what I'm crying for. I don't think I could love you more. It might not be long, but baby, I'll love you till the day that I die. Till the day that I die. Till the light leaves my eyes. Till the day that I die. I want you to see.
And here is the finished look. Way cleaner, way more stable, and the stack layout feels so much more natural now. I can game on the bottom monitor and keep the top one for chat, Discord, Spotify, and I don't have that distracting gap in the middle. It looks way more put together, exactly what I wanted. Everything is solid. There's no leaning and no wobbling. Overall, this new stand fixed everything I didn't like about my old one. It freed up that space, made my setup feel balanced, and just looks way better. better. If you've been thinking about upgrading your monitor mount, I would definitely recommend this one. I will have it in the link in the description box down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you do hit the subscribe button, give it a thumbs up, comment down below on your monitor layout and how many monitors you have in your setup, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.